So I just got to come up here and say this real quick, man. The worst thing that an entrepreneur can do right now is watch the news or look at social media and feed into all of these conspiracy theories or all this negativity. Because I'm going to tell you what. First of all, when it comes to them conspiracy theories, them things sound true. You know what I mean? They got a lot of convincing evidence about this stuff, right? But guess what? If they are right, then guess what? What can we do about it? By knowing, ain't nothing we can do to stop it. And I'm just like that, and that's why we shouldn't be watching it, because it make you feel powerless. You see what I'm saying? So think about it. We had Y2K, we had 2012, we had so many different things where the world was supposed to end, or the New World Order, or the Illuminati this, or whatever the case may be, right? Yet we still rolling. Last time a recession happened, a bunch of millionaires and billionaires were created because they kept grinding and kept their head down through this stuff, okay? That's what you need to do. If you're an entrepreneur right now, keep your head down and stay focused. I don't care if you got to unfollow every single one of your Facebook friends in order to do so, because I do that at least twice a year. And then I slowly refollow people over time as I'm on the track. But I just recently refollowed people. Now I'm having to start refollowing everybody all over again so I can stay focused. I'm going to tell you, yesterday, I took off for work. I got in the office early as hell, but then I left around about 12, 1 o'clock because I took a lunch break. And when I did that, I started watching all this conspiracy stuff, and it started making me feel helpless. You know what I mean? I got to like throw myself under the bus right quick and admit that. I fell off focus simply because I took my eye off the prize for 1 minute, looked at something, and I thought in my mind, I said, I'm just going to watch this for entertainment. But it wasn't entertainment. That shit took a toll on me. You know what I mean? I stopped grinding, and it's like, we got to stay focused. We got to stay locked in. Y'all don't let this stuff get to you, man. Keep going, because guess what? If it's not true, then you get to come out on top after this shit is over. If it is true, then guess what? Then we just going to go out swinging. Because whether you stop and just quit now because it's true, or whether you keep working because it's true, either way, since they've been playing this shit for hundreds of years according to these conspiracy theories, ain't shit you can do about it, no way. Not one of us. Ain't nothing we can do about it, okay? They the ones with the bombs. They the ones with the trillions of dollars. They the ones that own everything, okay? We don't even own the real estate that we buy, because if you don't pay taxes on that, the government can take that too. So technically, we don't own anything, okay? So don't let this stuff stop you from doing what you can, because if it's false, which it more than likely it probably is, because guess what? People have been spewing out these theories for years, for decades, for fucking centuries, man. They've been spewing out this type of stuff for centuries, okay? So don't feed into that. Focus on what you can control, and what you can control is your business, okay? If you got customers that stop paying, get some different fucking customers, okay? If your line of business is going slow, add a new line of business to your company, okay? Keep fucking going. Don't let this shit stop you, man. Stay focused. Let's not let these people drag us down, because they ain't got nothing going on. And I hate to say it like that, but think about it. And look at this too, because I'm going to tell you something else about the conspiracy stories too. I noticed this. Notice at the end of every single one, or somewhere throughout the video, or somewhere throughout the little theory, they're selling you something, okay? Think about Alex Jones. Every single time Alex Jones, in his little videos he used to have on YouTube, what did he do? He puts in all his little products, whether it's a respirator mask, whether it's some type of pills that's supposed to keep you healthy, whether it's a water filtration system. He sells you based on your fear, so he gets you all fucking scared, and then try to sell you something and be the solution for it, right? So it's a business. Even on those other ones where they might not be selling you a product directly, but guess what they're selling you? They're selling you their religion, right? Typically they're selling you some type of religion at the end. You know what I mean? The other one I watched the other day, the guy was selling his crypto that he just created. It was a pastor. And he was like, yeah, but that's why I created this crypto, because they're trying to go to a one world currency. And I need you. That's why we need to invest in my currency. I created a currency, and you need to invest in mine so we can combat this thing. Come on, y'all. You know what I mean? Like, come on, don't fall for every little thing that somebody's trying to sell you, dog. Stay focused. Block that shit out, man. Do a purge on your whole friends list and get them people out of your way. Do a purge on your whole YouTube channel. Go to your settings and clear your search history, clear your watch history, and make them show you only people that you subscribe to that's business related, entrepreneurship related, success related, positive thinking related, and keep fucking going, y'all, because guess what? You could come out of this thing on top. All right, stay focused, stay locked in. A lot of people gonna disagree with me, but I don't care. This is my motto on this. You got to worry about what you can control and focus on like the things that you can manipulate in your world. That's it. You can't worry about all this other shit, y'all. Ain't nothing you can do about all that. But what you can do something about is that bottom line on your motherfucking financial statement. That's what you can do something about, okay? What you can do something about is the people that work for you, to make sure that they still got a job and somewhere to go to. You know what I mean? What you can do is the people that you want to work for you, or the people that want to work for you, the people that need jobs. And you can create it because you the entrepreneur. You the one with the vision. You the one with the hustle. You the one with the drive, okay? Stay locked in, okay? Period. I know it's hard right now. I know it's hard. Stay locked in, period. Keep going. Some of y'all in states where they shut the whole state down, I get it. You know, I get it, but use this time to rebuild, okay? Do some at-home workouts. That's what I just started doing. You know what I mean? Start planning. What can you do about it? I realized something on my statement, right? Let me go into this a little deeper. So I realized, right, I'm gonna expose myself some more, because I just exposed y'all that I took off early on Friday because I let this conspiracy stuff get to me, right? Well, I'm gonna expose myself again. So I don't know if I want to go too detailed or not, but I had money in the bank, right? Okay, I still got money in the bank. Let me find a better way to explain. I'm trying to be general. I had a certain amount of money in the bank, right? And I don't have that certain amount anymore, right? It's still cool, but I just don't have the amount that I thought I had. And let me explain why. Because I thought that I had a lot, okay? I thought I had a lot of money in the bank. But when I looked at my finances, I realized, wait a minute. I pay out $25,000 a month. Well, usually $23,000 to be exact, somewhere around about $23,000 a month in overhead. Actually, last month it was $29,000. Okay. And so if I don't have double that in the bank at all times, I'm broke. You see what I'm saying? And I can tell you right now, I don't got double that in there right now. Okay. There was a time when I had it. You see what I'm saying? But I let people who don't know business get into me and make me feel like I was balling a little bit. You know what I mean? And so I didn't splurge. All I bought was the stuff you see behind me, right? All of this office equipment. You know, all of this stuff in his office, right? The furniture. All right? So I went around and I splurged and I bought a few little office furniture. Okay? To furnish my office. And it's like, that's cool, because I would have had to do it anyway, but I didn't have to do all of that at once. Okay? Because for the most part right now, until I continue to grow, mostly it's only me in this office. My wife is here sometime, but since the kids are out of school, it's just me here. You see what I'm saying? So it's like I didn't have to do all of that all at once. Right? So my point is this. If you don't got at least 2 months worth, and that's keeping it minimal, at least 2 months worth of your monthly business expenses in the bank, then you broke. Okay? I'm broke. Okay? So until then, I got to grind. But when we come from where we come from, we think having $50,000 in the bank is you balling, you doing something. That ain't shit. Okay? Then I decided, I got bored the other day, decided to do something that I never do, which was look at my net worth. Okay? Net worth is looking good, right? It looks better than what I expected it to. But guess what that means? Absolutely fucking nothing. That's paper stuff. Okay, that's nothing. That's imaginary. It don't even mean anything. I don't count net worth, and I don't know what made me do it out of the blue the other day. I guess I wanted a dopamine hit, right? Because that's what we usually go on social media and do all of these things, play video games for anyway. You want to get a quick win so you can get a dopamine hit, right? So, back to the point though. Okay, back to the point, because I jumped all over the place. The point is, I wanted to throw my flaws out here so y'all can see and learn from this stuff, okay? Don't feed this negativity. Stay locked in, and make sure you keep 2 months, at least 2 months worth of expenses in your bank account, okay? If you didn't apply for the PPP program through the government, or you didn't apply for that SBA loan, I recommend that you do so, okay? To my understanding, don't quote me, I could be 100% wrong, or read for yourself, okay? But to my understanding, both loans will be 100% forgiven as long as you use the money that you tell them you're going to use it for, okay? So go apply for those. It's basically free money to help keep your business afloat. Do that, okay? And take care of your priorities, man. Write down your goals every single day, right? Write down your goals every single day. Make sure that you got a calendar. Start getting organized. Use this time to get structured. You know what I mean? It's Saturday. You see where I'm at. I'm right here in the office knocking stuff out, okay? I advise that you still be knocking stuff out too. Even if you can't leave your house, still knock some stuff out. All right, and really, cleaning companies are considered essential personnel, pretty much in every state right now. So you can get out there. You can do something. Okay, you can go clean, right? You can go pass out some of these flyers. Okay, you can do some disinfecting, cleaning, and market that. All right, and I'm gonna put out a video next to show y'all how to bid on that too. That's coming up because I just added I just added the COVID cleaning. It's not called COVID cleaning, but that's what I just want to call it for short. But I added that into the bidding calculator. Then I also added a special service proposal generator into the calculator as well, calculatedclean.com. Okay, you can download the mobile app, Calculated Clean. All right. So, but anyway, that's what I got for y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all stay focused, man. Like I said, a lot of y'all ain't gonna agree with the first part of this video because y'all want to believe the conspiracies. You do that. You know what I mean? I halfway believe the shit too, but guess what? I know that I can be wrong. You know what I mean? I could be fucking wrong, and if I'm wrong and I don't keep grinding, then I'm going to have to pay in the future, and my kids going to have to pay, and the world going to have to pay because AJ Simmons, CEO of Clean Biz Network, decided to bullshit and look at the, you know what I mean, look to the left or look to the right and start looking forward and minding my fucking business. Okay? Learn how to mind your business, the business that pays you. Okay? So that's what I got for y'all, man. If you ready to get started and start your cleaning company, go to cleanbiznetwork.com. You ready to grow your cleaning company, go to cleanbiznetwork.com and click on our lead generation service, okay? We back full in effect. So if you're ready to get some leads and you want to get started, go get you some leads from the lead generation service. We'll find appointments for you, get you some walkthroughs, and we still can get appointments despite these times, because really we were getting them before I shut us down for 2 weeks, but I was just trying to get ahead of the government. I thought that they were going to shut the whole country down. Why? Because I was watching the media instead of watching my fucking business, right? I'm going to tell you, and that's one more thing I want to say too. I'm glad I thought of this. If you going to get some news, because we got to know the news, right? We got to stay up to date on this stuff. But if you're going to get some news, make sure that your news is coming from somewhere, a website that says .gov, okay? Or is a government organization. Don't get your news from fucking CBN. No, not CBN. Damn, get it from Clean Biz Network. What I'm talking about. Don't get your news from CNN, MSNBC, Fox News. Don't go to none of the major media outlets, and damn sure don't go to social media because these people don't know nothing either. Okay? Go to the fucking source. Go to your state.gov, whatever your state government website is. Get it from your damn from your what are they called, the senator, okay, your state senator. Get the news from the source. Stop believing every little thing you see, man. Straight up. So that's what I got for y'all, man. I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out of here.